In this video, we'll explore how to install custom fonts on your iPhone and iPad. Custom fonts can enhance your creativity, provide a unique style, and make your documents stand out. Let's break down the simple steps to get those fonts set up on your device. First, head to the App Store and search for a font app. Popular options include AnyFont and Font Diner. Once you've downloaded a font app, navigate through the many fonts available to find your favorites. Select your preferred font and follow the simple installation instructions provided by the app. You'll need to grant permission for configuration profiles. Follow the prompts to complete this step. Go to your settings, tap on General, then Fonts to see all the custom fonts you've installed. Now you can use your custom fonts in apps like Pages and Keynote. Just select your font from the available options. In conclusion, custom fonts can breathe life into your digital documents. Experiment with different styles and make your work truly yours.